Hey everybody, new workshop alert, Mando licks that changed everything. It starts February 26th, and then there's classes on March 4th and March 11th as well. This class is one that is really exciting for me and will be for you too, because we're going to cover some of my favorite licks and patterns in mandolin, things that really changed everything for me in how I approach the mandolin, and some things that changed everything about the world of mandolin. We're going to go over some iconic licks, some patterns that are commonly used by master players, and patterns that you can use to quickly sound really good. Now, this isn't going to require you to spend a ton of time learning lick after lick. We're going to cover concepts that you'll fully understand so that you have a repertoire of licks that work well together and that are easy to change to other keys. We're going to spend our time in the keys of A, B, and G, and then talk about how to transpose those to other keys so that you have stuff that you can use in virtually any situation. We're also going to cover how you can sound better, how you can actually sound professional, because it's one thing to learn some notes that a professional played, but a whole other thing to sound like they do when you do that. So we're going to cover how to sound good, how to have good tone, and of course we're going to cover how to practice those licks. You're going to finish this class with a whole new set of licks to use in 2024, whether it's in a jam group or in a band, or maybe you're making an album. You're going to have a whole new sound for 2024. So make sure to sign up. Classes start February 26th, and then classes also on March 4th and March 11th. If you sign up by this Monday, February 19th, you can get $90 early bird pricing. After that, it goes up to $100. So make sure to sign up right away. There's also some really great giveaways. 2 people are going to win a free Tone Slabs pick, and 1 person's going to win a private lesson from me, which is a $110 value. It costs $110 to sign up for a lesson. You could win that completely for free just for signing up for the class. So make sure to sign up so you can have a chance at one of those. There's also a VIP track, and you can get a 30-minute private lesson with me as part of the VIP package. Plus, you get an extra chance in the raffle to win the picks and to win the private lesson. And there's a third thing that I'm leaving out. What is it? I can't remember, so click the link below and go look. All right, everybody, I can't wait to see you in class. Go ahead and sign up right away to reserve your spot. You don't want to miss this one, and I will see you in class.